एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू लर्निंग विद नादिया अर्शद। आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है उन लोगों के लिए जो इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं और उन लोगों के लिए भी जो इंग्लिश सीख चुके हैं, क्योंकि आज की वीडियो में आप सीखने वाले हैं इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशनल सेंटेंसेस। यस, आज हम करेंगे कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस। मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए सबसे पहले क्या ज़रूरी है, प्रैक्टिस। जो प्रैक्टिस करेगा वो इंग्लिश बोलना सीखेगा, जो नहीं करेगा वो नहीं सीखेगा। तो आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस भरपूर करनी है और ये बात तो सभी जानते हैं कि जो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज है, इंग्लिश इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज है, इसलिए ये सबको सीखनी चाहिए। सो ऑल द बेस्ट विद योर इंग्लिश। लेट्स बिगिन आवर टुडेज इंग्लिश लर्निंग लेसन। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? A little but not very well. Do you speak English? A little but not very well. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 21 years old. How old are you? I am 21 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. Are you married? No, I am not married. How long have you been here? About 3 years. How long have you been here? About 3 years. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. How are you? I am fine. I am good. And you? How are you? I am fine. And you? Would you like to have a coffee? No, thanks. I like tea. Would you like to have a coffee? No, thanks. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure. Would you like a drink? Sure. Let's go. Would you like a drink? Sure, let's go. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Do you need a few minutes? I think we are ready. Do you need a few minutes? I think we are ready. Anything else? Nothing else. Anything else? Nothing else. When will be he back? He will be back in 10 minutes. When will be he back? He will be back in 10 minutes. What time does it start? It starts at 6 o'clock. What time does it start? It starts at 6 o'clock. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you afraid? No, I am not afraid. Are you afraid? No, no, I am not afraid. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. How far is it? About 2 kilometers. How far is it? About 2 kilometers. How does it taste? It's delicious. How does it taste? How does it taste? It's delicious. What does he do? He's a teacher. He's a doctor. He's a farmer. What does he do? He's a teacher. What does he do? He's a teacher. He's a farmer. He's a doctor. When is your birthday? My birthday is June 3rd. When is your birthday? My birthday is June 3rd. Where are you from? I'm from Lahore. Where are you from? I'm from Lahore. What is wrong? Nothing. I'm fine. What is wrong? Nothing. I'm fine. What's new? Nothing much. What's new? Nothing much. So guys, that's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so you never miss any of my video. Thanks for watching.